in your business you're using Freshsales CRM, then this video is just for you. I'm a business owner and I promote my business using Facebook lead ads. I want that as soon as a new lead generated with the help of my Facebook lead ads promotion, I want to create that lead as a contact in my Freshsales account. But creating this contact manually is a very time-consuming task. Sometimes I miss out on my lead or my team just enters error details of my leads. Instead of doing this task manually, you can automatically do this work. Create the setup and your entire work is done. I will show you how. I will generate a new Facebook lead in front of you in the name of dummy account. Email address is dummyaccount@pabblytudes.com. Let me enter that. dummyaccount@pabblytudes.com, and for the phone number I will enter a dummy phone number right here. I will generate the lead. As now a new Facebook lead is going to be generated in front of you, you will see this is the contacts page. There is only one contact. If I'll refresh this Freshsales contact page in front of you, you will see automatically another contact in the name of dummy account is created. It is automatically created. If I scroll down, the email is dummyaccount@pabblytudes.com. This is the phone number. So as now you can see right over here, the new contact is created in my CRM application. This is how the setup is actually going to work. A new lead will be generated through your Facebook ads promotion. That lead will be created as contact into your Freshsales CRM application. So now without wasting any more of our time, I'm going to guide you that how you can create the setup for your business right away. So let's move on to the creation of this setup. So I will be creating the connection with the help of this software Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is one of the most amazing tools with the help of which you can create such amazing automations without need of any technical coding and programming skills. And in this video, I'm using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you're logging in inside Pabbly Connect for the first time, simply sign up for free from here. You will receive 100 free tasks every single month to create such amazing automation. Test it out from your end. So that means you can create this setup with me by the end of the video. You will also create the setup and test it out from your end that how it's working. For that, simply search for Pabbly Connect's website and sign up for free right now. Now, if you like the setup and you like how it's working, you're planning to purchase Pabbly Connect's plans. There are two types of plans from which I will suggest you to purchase our one-time plans, because you're going to pay once and get the access of Pabbly Connect's features forever. There are existing discounts on each and every one-time plans of ours. If you want additional discounts on top of the existing ones, you can use the code on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section as well. Go ahead, use the code, purchase our plans and automate your business workflows. I have already logged into my Pabbly Connect account and opened the setup of Pabbly Connect's workflow. Now inside Pabbly Connect's workflow, there are two major steps: trigger and action. Trigger gives the commands and action follows the steps simultaneously. That is why there is only one trigger but multiple action. Let's set up our trigger step, where for the trigger application I'll select it as Facebook lead ads and the event as new lead instead. Now after selecting the details, click on this connect option, go towards this add new connection section, then click on this connect with Facebook lead ads button. As soon as you will do that, over here it is asking for the permission. For that, click on this continue button and the connection will be created. The connection was super easy because I've already logged into my Facebook account on a new tab. Okay, now we have to select the page and the form with the help of which we are promoting our business as well as collecting our leads data. I have created my business page in the name of Digital Dynamics. So from the drop down, I'll search for the page and select it. And for the form, I have created a lead ads form in the name of new lead ads form. I've selected the form. I want the simple response. I'll select the option and click on this save and send test request button. And it says waiting for webhook response. So now to check whether my Facebook lead ads is successfully connected to Pabbly Connect or not, I will again generate another test lead. I have already generated a test lead in front of you in the starting of the video. So now to generate another test lead, delete the existing one and then only you can generate a new one. So I've deleted the existing one. I'll refresh the page. I will again select the details right over here. For generating the test lead, I'm using Meta's lead ads testing tool. Okay, you can search for it and use it for yourself. I will select the details that I told you, the form in the name of new lead ads form. Click on this preview form button. Now let's generate the lead. For the name of my lead, I'll write over here as simple user. For the email address, I'll write over here as simpleuser@pabblytudes.com. And for the phone number, I will enter this dummy phone number. Click on this continue button and generate the lead in front of you. As now the lead is generated, you will see within few seconds, the response of the same lead, the test lead that we have generated, is going to be captured in the trigger. In the similar manner, I'll show you the response. In the similar manner, the real leads data will be captured as well. Name is simpleuser@pabblytudes.com with a dummy phone number. As now the response has been captured, our trigger setup of Facebook lead ads, new lead instead is completed. Now let's add this lead as a contact in our Freshsales account. For that, simply add an action step, where for the action application, I'll select over here as Freshsales Suite. So this is my action application. Event is going to be create contact. Click on this connect option, go to this add new connection section. We need to provide the API key and the Freshsales Suite domain. For the domain, simply log into your Freshsales account. Till this .com from HTTPS is the domain. Copy it and paste it right here. Remove the slash from the end. To have the API key, simply log into your Freshsales account. Go to profile section, personal settings, go to API section, and over here click on this I'm not a robot button. It is asking, I'll just complete all the details and show you. As soon as I've done that, you will see it is asking for the API key, CRM API details, and this is the key Pabbly Connect is asking for. Copy it and paste it right here. Click on the save button and the connection is going to be created. After the connection is created, it is going to ask for all these details of my contact that I want to create in my Freshsales account. For the data of these fields, we are going to map the data. Mapping is inserting data from the previous step. Before I do that, scroll down to this note option, important note section that is attached right here. In order to enter the email address, we have to enter the email address like this, enter home, work or office, and then enter the email address. So I have this work email, so I'm going to copy this work prefix from here, paste it down in this email section first. And then I will map the data. Add a slash, previous step is going to appear where this is the email address that I want to enter. So I'll select the data of the email address from my previous response of my lead, which makes the specific data mapped. And as now this data is mapped, the data has now become dynamic. Now whenever a new response of a new lead will be captured in the previous step, that new response will be updated in place of this mapped data. For the first name, I will map the data to the first name of my lead. For the last name, I'll map the data of the last name of my lead. Now entering the phone number, if I'll further scroll down, you can see for the phone number also we have to enter primary or other phone number. So I'm going to copy this primary prefix, paste it down in this phone number field, and then simply map the data of the phone number that I have received in this step. Okay. After doing that, it is asking for the other details, which I'll skip the part. Source is social media, so I'll select over here the source as social media. If I'll further scroll down, lifecycle stage is going to be lead, status is new lead, lost response is not there, I'll skip the part. Subscription status, I will select over here as subscribed. Okay, it is asking for the other fields which I do not require at all, so I'm going to simply skip the part, scroll down till the end and click on this save and send test request button. And as I've done that, I've received this response with a contact ID. That's a positive response. If I will refresh this contacts page of my Freshsales account, you will see automatically a new contact in the name of simpleuser@pabblytudes.com with the same phone number is now created into my Freshsales account. So as you can see right over here, lifecycle, it's a lead, it's a new lead. As now this contact is added successfully in my CRM application, this means that the connection between these two applications is now completed. Now, whenever a new Facebook lead will be generated in your business through your promotions, that lead is going to be added into your CRM application automatically so that your team will further connect with the lead and further continue the lead management process. So now if you have any questions or doubts related to this workflow that I have created with all of you, you can comment down below. I will reply to all your queries. If you're purchasing our yearly or one-time plans, do use the code on the left side of my screen to get instant discounts on the purchase. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this connection, you can create multiple other automations using Pabbly Connect. If you want to know about the different plans that Pabbly Connect provides you, you can check out the link given over here. And if you have any queries related to it, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and thank you so much for watching.